We're going to improve and fix this contact form on this Kadence theme. I created this website using the Kadence starter template right here. It's called Interior Design. I do have a separate tutorial on signing up for a hosting plan and creating this website on another video, so make sure to check that out in the description. But the issue with this contact form is it doesn't work yet, just due to how WordPress works and the emails not being deliverable. So the one thing you first want to do is make sure you sign up for Brevo.com. This is free, and this allows customers or users to your website to be able to deliver the contact form or emails that are sent to you. So that'll make sure you receive the emails. So make sure you sign up to Brevo.com. You can sign up for it during this tutorial or after it, it's up to you, but I'm gonna go back to this contact form here. I'm gonna click on Edit Page. The first issue is going to this contact form. This is an old deprecated form. So if I go to the layout section right here or the document overview, this form is actually deprecated. Kadence has new advanced forms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here on the vertical ellipsis. I'm going to click on delete. And while I'm still in this section here, I'm going to click on the plus sign. I'm going to type in form. And now you can see Kadence. This is a Kadence block advanced form. So I'm going to click on that. And the one thing is this form, it's out of this section right here, so it doesn't look too good. So I'm going to click on the document overview. I'm going to click on this row layout right here. I'm going to click, hold, and drag the form module under this section, so it looks pretty good. Now for the advanced form, I can select a form, but I don't have one. So I'm going to click on create new. And then there's a few options here, but I'm going to click on this contact basic form. I'll just name it contact form 1. You can put in a description if you want, but I'm going to click on create here. Now we got this form, and you can see the asterisks right here under the message or beside the message in the email. So that's required, but the name field doesn't show it as being a required field. So I'll click on this, and in the block section right here, we're going to click on required. Now you can see the asterisks. The other thing is this layout of this section doesn't look too good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the section here. I'll go to style, and then I'll go to border styles. I'll go to 1 pixel and then select this color, or maybe even a darker color just to show it to you. Actually, I'll go right here, and that looks good. So the form is looking good, but let's go back and click on the form right here. And let's see the general information that we need to set up. So the email settings. So we need to put the email address to where this will be sent. So I'll type in hello@aprilus.com. And the email subject, I'll just put content Basecamp at Kadence, just like that. I don't need to put any of this. It's from email or anything like that. Let's take a look here. I think everything looks good here. So I'm going to click on save right here. And then I'm going to go back to my page. I'm going to click on refresh. And the contact form is updated here. But if I fill out the form right now, I'll just put in test, and then I'll put in test@gmail.com. I'll put in test, and I'll click on submit. The email will be attempted to be sent, but it'll get picked up or flagged as spam, and it'll never reach your email account. So what we need to do is set up a simple mail transfer protocol. We're going to be using this Brevo website. And in order to link this Brevo website, or Brevo, I don't know how to pronounce it, to your WordPress, we need to install. Let me make sure I click on save. I'm going to go to my WordPress admin. I'm going to go to plugins. We need to install WP SMT. And by the way, I already have WP Forms Lite installed, but I'm going to do a different tutorial on WP Forms. We're just going to use Kadence Forms for this tutorial. So I'm going to go to Add Plugin right here. And then I'm going to type in WP SMTP. And we're going to install this right now, just like that. Then we're going to click on Activate. And then we're going to follow these steps by WP Mail SMTP to connect this to my Brevo account. So I'll go to Let's Get Started. And I'm going to click on Brevo just like that. I'll go to Save and Continue. And then I need to set up a API key. So I'm going to click on this, follow this link to get an API key for Brevo. So I'm going to click on Generate API Key, and I'll just put in Content Basecamp. I'll click on Generate. I'll click on Copy. Click on OK. Go back to my WP admin. I'll paste in the API key, and I need to put in the sending domain. So I'll type in contentbasecamp.com, just like that. And I'll put in from name here and the from email. I'll just leave it like this. This is my email admin. I don't really use this. It's a dead email, but I'll click on Save and Continue. We'll just leave these on. Go to Save and Continue. I'll click on Skip this step. I'll click on Skip this step. And then I'll click on Finish Setup here. So great. So now I have my Brevo account connected to WordPress and connected to my contact forms to make sure I receive customer user form emails sent to me. So I'm going to fill out this form. I'm going to put in Kadence tutorial, and I'll just type in my work email. I'll put in Kadence tutorial. I'm not going to go to my actual email and show you my inbox, but I will show you a screenshot with the Kadence email being received, WP SMTP. I'll click on Submit. And once that's done, you should be getting your email. The other thing I want to show you is going back to the contact form here. We didn't set up a CAPTCHA, so I'm going to go to Edit Page here. And then I'm going to go to this form here. And then I can, let me double check here, email settings. I can go to the plus sign. I can go to, where is it? Miscellaneous, this CAPTCHA. So you're going to want to add this CAPTCHA if you don't already have something similar, and then you're going to have to follow the steps right here to add a Google CAPTCHA. Instead of adding the CAPTCHA while you're creating this form, you may want to check out and test out in your plugins, set up Axmimet anti-spam protection. This is usually installed when you sign up or install WordPress. This is a pretty good spam protection. So you may want to activate this first. And then if you're still receiving spam emails or contact form submissions, then set up the CAPTCHA types, one of these Google types here, or this H CAPTCHA. So just keep that in mind. If you don't set up one of these CAPTCHAs or this Axmimet anti-spam protection, you may be getting spam. And other than that, if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. And as always, live easy, sleep breezy, and stay lovely.